Hello, everybody, and welcome to another day of Smile. We are going to continue working on the sound that we were doing yesterday. And can anyone remind me what sound we have been working on? You can? What sound did we talk about? Tell me. High five, you're right. We've been learning the sound. Say with me, ready? Like pumpkin and pink and purple. So today we are going to do the second step of learning a sound, and that is tracing. And we're going to do it 5 times, so we have as many opportunities as we can to learn our new sound. And we're going to be using 5 different colors so you can see each time that you did it. Jonathan is going to help today. We're going to take turns tracing the sound. Ready? I'm going to go first, okay? And remember, parents, we never say letter names in Smile. We only say the sounds that those letters produce. And we say the sound as we write it. So, here we go. What sound are we working on? Beautiful job making that sound. We're working on the sound. Let's trace the sound. Ready? What sound did we trace? Great work. You're right. That's the sound. Let's try again. Take a marker. Trace the sound. Say it as you trace it. Beautiful work. How did you do that time? Did you do okay? Awesome. This is the sound. What? Right. That's the sound. It's my turn now. Trial number 3. Let's see if we could trace. Ready? What sound did we do? Great work. This is the sound like peanuts and pumpkin. All right, trial number 4. Jonathan's going to try and trace the sound. What sound did Jonathan trace? Awesome job, everyone. Last one. Let's do it all together. Let's trace the sound. Little louder. We can't hear you all the way here. Excellent. Let's trace the sound. What sound is this? High five. Great job. This is the sound. Great work today, everyone, learning this new sound. Now the video is finished. You're going to go down into the PowerPoint and you are going to continue practice to trace the sound. Super job, guys.